Hi everyone, it's Winston back with another crafts project, and today we're going to see how we can incorporate origami as decorative pieces on the body. So what I mean by that is that rather than the origami itself kind of sitting on me as kind of a separate piece and taking precedence over anything else, I'm going to see how I can incorporate it with a look. Myself, I've always been interested in seeing how origami can be incorporated into fashion. So for example, right now I've seen places sell jewelry with origami in them, and myself I've included it in objects such as headbands, making origami flower headbands myself. I'll be interested in seeing what I can do with this challenge, I like to call it. First look I'm going to go for is to try and incorporate butterflies on my face, probably on one half. For that I think I'll be using regular 15 by 15 inch origami paper, and I'll also be using a 7.5 by 7.5 centimeter origami paper that is, yeah, half the size of the other ones. And yeah, I'm going to make some butterflies and then try and see how I can stick it upon myself. I haven't decided on that yet, but yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's begin making the butterfly, and for this we're going to be using this origami paper that I mentioned, which is half the size of the regular origami paper you usually use. So let's begin. And yes, I know the corner's a bit janky because I was pulling it out of the box too fast, but let's begin. So first we're going to fold diagonally both ways. And once we've done that, we're going to fold horizontally and vertically, remaining on the white side as we do them both. Then once we've done that, we will unfold it and grabbing either side, so as we push in towards itself, it will kind of create a shape as you do so, as you push like this. And we are going to collapse the model as we do so, pushing the sides in on itself and pulling down the top and bottom to create a triangular pyramid as we squash the model. Then after that we are going to grab one flap and we're going to fold it about this much up, and this corner should be folded up completely to the bottom here, and then we're going to squash roughly something like this, and then we're going to repeat on the other side and make it as even as possible. Cool. So once we've done that, we can turn it around and we will pull back this flap. So as we pull back, you see this starts getting pulled, and then once it's pulled back to about this much, so from here, pull back to the back of the model, about this much, peeking up from the top, we're going to fold this triangle down and press down. And then after that, we're going to just fold it in half, crease it in half a bit, just so it can stay down this fold, and plus it starts making a more 3D butterfly. And yeah, that's it. Here's our quick little butterfly that we made, which is so easy, and you can make it in lots of really cute colors, which is what I'm going to do to create the look. So I ended up making one big origami butterfly, and then for smaller ones in these colors. So that's kind of the color scheme I'm going for. And outfit wise, I found this cute purple hoodie. I don't know if you can see via the lighting, but this is supposed to be yeah, purpley lilac color, which I thought would suit the theme of the origami. I'm going to put this on and then try and stick this on my face. Cool. So got the first butterfly down, which I don't know if I like the position, so I'll probably tweak it just to see how I like it on my forehead. This kind of looks so weird right now, just one being stuck on my forehead, and then I think I'm going to then just go darker from here. This one I'm going to have to attach onto the clip in order to, I think, attach something like this to just make this look a bit more dynamic, because the other ones are really small. And I think I'll be happy with this look, so I'm going to try and find like a clip to stick this on. I've like come so unprepared. I'm just like running around trying to find stuff right now. And then for this one, I said I was going to find a clip, but I actually found these like small hair slides, so I might only just need one of these, but there's like this small kind of gap above here that I can just slip into, I think, and then bring it back out the other side, and then kind of just clip it in my hair, slide it into my hair, I guess. And then I obviously want this, so what's good is like these are bendy, because I can bend them up to keep the butterfly shape whilst trying to put it in my hair. Oh, okay, it's sitting quite high above, but it slipped in at least as bare minimum, and I need to still clean up some of my hair, but it's kind of what I'm going for. That's the kind of aura, the kind of aura I want for this look. So lucky me, I have a palette called Redemption Palette Mermaids versus Unicorns, which has all these purple, blue, greeny colours, which is perfect for this look. I'm surprised I actually had this, because I don't know when was the last time I used it, probably for cosplay. But I'm going to play around with these eyeshadows to try and give my look a bit more oomph. I don't know what I'm really going for yet, so this will be an experiment considering how bad I am at putting on makeup. That's how my eyes kind of look. We try to ignore the mess in that corner, but it's purple, blue and a bit of green to mix it all together. Kind of going for that 80s vibe as well with the eyeshadow, but kind of liking it. Cool, so I don't know what that was, just my hand. Oh, I'm so tired now, I think that's why. But yeah, in the end I decided to just go for a white butternut to keep it as plain as possible, but I think I'm gonna crop out quite a lot of it anyway, so probably all the way up to here, so I don't think it really mattered what type of shirt I was wearing in the end. How I feel about this look, so I think maybe the butterflies could have been a tad smaller, or maybe there could have been a range more of sizes, but it's not too bad for my first attempt. So that's how I feel about this. The eyeshadow could definitely be improved, but from far away it looks alright, so we're going with that. But anyway, this was fun to do. I would yeah, love to do more of these, experiment around more, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too as well. It's a very different concept of video and just trying stuff out like usual to see how it turns out. And yeah, like usual, comment down below what you thought about this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other types of video I post. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and hope to see you next time. Bye.